Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. I finally get a new monitor. It's a 24-inch Full HD LED monitor, Acer brand, and type is SA240Y, black edition, 0 frame. I'm gonna open this, have a look how it looks like, and finally replace one of these Full HD Philips monitor for the bigger one, because I find I actually doesn't need two same monitor, and I make a decision get a new one with the bigger and better screen. Box is empty. What we have here is a stand, manuals, some other stand, and okay, we have the power cable twice, VGA cable and adapters. Open it now. Go. Here's how it looks like. It's so thin. And best parts. Nice. On the side. Okay, doesn't work. Try it this way. Okay. And now we are putting on this. There you go. It's all done and it looks nice, and now we will connect this LCD and switching on. Okay, we have our monitors on the place. We just need to plug in the power cable, which is actually this adapters over here. Plug in. We plug an adapter on the power. And also connect the HDMI to the PC. Okay, we switch on the PC and Monitor is on. Picture looks good, nice. And it's also, this monitor is 60 Hz, and the monitor is given a nice contrast, looks very nice. It's less frame, it's will brilliant if I can do same monitor twice, will be brilliant, but as now anyway it looks so good. I like it, and it's 24-inch screen, and hopefully you like it as well. That's it for now. Absolutely brilliant screen, I like it. Click like, subscribe, and even want the more or deep review for this monitor, just let me know. I can try do something for you. And yeah, I forgot to mention, it's cost €100, actually around €100.